Okay, let's look at the plotting curve. This is the curve that we're gonna plot, y1 and y2, just to make a general case. You can define the height or width by doing this. You can define the width and height, because sometimes you have to have a really specific height and width ratio to make the plot look realistic. And you can do r dot. Basically, that means like dot of each data point, and red, and this is blue. Also, you can have that lines or dash lines and such. You can look at the details of a line plot style. You can set the limit of x-axis, y-axis, the label of x-axis and y-axis, the title, and the legend of x and y, and then you can show it, and also you can save it to a file, because sometimes you don't want to show it, you just want to run the whole script. Just let's see how it works. Python plot curve, and there we go. That's a dotted line. Let's see what will happen if I have a solid line. There we go. Dash dash. So we got dash line and dash dot, I think. Dash dot or dot dash. Yeah, dot between dashes, and dotted lines. Yeah, that's all the things to it. For more details, you can check on matplotlib. There's more details, of course.